Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to show you yet another exciting application of the multi-lift system. Here we have a long travel multi-lift shown for use in an agricultural application such as this John Deere tractor. We're showing here today the drive-on adapter, so that gives you the ability to get into a wide variety of machines, implements, tractors, things like that. The system uses a sling, but of course you don't need to have the sling in place. So if you have a person in a wheelchair, comes up to a particular piece of equipment, you drive the adapter on, the sling goes around the person, not underneath. So we simply wrap the sling around right here, bring the unit over, attach the sling, and we're ready to start getting up into the cab. So the drive-on adapter, you'll see, is it's pretty forgiving. We can use it in a wide variety of applications, big tires, small tires, whatever the case may be. All of this unit is collapsible. You'll see that there are pins, removable pins. The legs flip up to go to the top there. You'll see the strap that holds everything in place. And you have the extensions. Everything can be dismantled, so all of these pieces where you see the joints, that can be pulled apart. The extensions come away from the unit, and of course the lift detaches. This part detaches here, the sling detaches, and you'll see that there are wheels down below, so you can tip it and kind of ride it around like luggage. Okay, so now I'm going into the cab. Once I get up and in, pretty simple. I'm right down in the driver's seat. Okay, now this is all easily removable. So if I want to, do the demo, drive the tractor, whatever, you simply drive the tractor away. Okay. Come back, pull it on to the drive-on adapter, swing the lift over, hook up, and we're ready to go. Getting out is pretty similar. And again, the fact that we've got multiple joints that are all extremely strong, they're engineered for a whole bunch of torsional and lateral force. We got a lot of flexibility on all the shapes that we can go into. So this unit could be used on skid steers, it can be used on forklifts, it can be used on loaders, balers, combines. If you use it with a combine, you're going to use it with a longer travel. The wheelchair is a little different position. We just simply position to go to wherever the wheelchair is. System is extremely forgiving. So wide variety of circumstances are no problem. Thank you for checking out the long travel multi-lift shown for use with a drive-on adapter in farm equipment. We hope you like what you've seen. We are Access Unlimited. If you'd like to learn more about us, like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. We're on YouTube with over 4,000 videos giving people all kinds of access to just about anything that you want to drive or ride in, and that's at youtube.com/accessun. We're on X or Twitter at accessun, and we are on Instagram as Access Unlimited, one word, Pinterest as Access Unlimited, two words, and we're on TikTok as Access Unlimited Lifts, all one word. We hope you like what you've seen. Please give us a call if you have any questions. Daytimes 8 to 5, Monday through Friday. In the United States, country code 1-607-669-4822. Evenings and weekends are no problem. Country code 1 or 1-607-499-4933. Thank you for checking out our product. We hope you like what you've seen, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.